Siyempre, maraming salamat for traveling just to be here. Teka lang, sige na nga. Nahiya ako, baka makantahin ako bigla.
Sabot! 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 Sabot!
Pero di ba, mawawala na ako sa stage. Hindi, ito yan. Salamat guys. Raven, JM, oh my goodness.
Thank you po.
Mariel, Marco. Si Marco po, Diyos ko na overheat pa ito ng ilang beses. But you're here. Thank you guys. Thank you. And we have something for you. So, it's a little surprise. Mommy Rosie prepared something, of course. So ako ay magtatago muna kasi syempre, moment na ito guys. Okay? Ayan. Sige, Mommy Rosie, please. At syempre, maya-maya po, magkakaroon din tayo ng mga pictorial po natin. Ayan. But right now, you guys did a very great job. Sobrang gagaling ninyo kumanta. Na nakakatuwa talaga na mapanood kayo live. Iba yung nakikita sa TV, ano? Tapos, iba talaga pag na-experience ninyo ng malapitan live. Iba rin po ang pakiramdam ng kumakanta na may puso at may purpose. Di ba guys, no? Yung feeling din for you, di ba? Iba rin, no? You know you're giving something to other people who deserve love and support, di ba? So, yes. Mommy Rosie, baka naman. May speech ka naman, di ba? Napakanta nyo kanina, nagulat ako doon.
Achievement unlocked.
Yes. Diba na Moon River natin siya? Mag-grocery bag pa, diba?
May grocery na kami.
Plus, paano ba ang pagmahal nila sa restaurant? Plus, meron. Sense of ma-remind ka.
Thank you very much. That's all I can say. Thank you very much. All champions of tawag ng banhag. Salamat sa inyo ha. Babalik kayo dito. Sige. Bye-bye.
Totoo yung sinabi ni Maria kanina. What Mommy Rosie wants, she gets. If she wants to go on stage and sing, she will. If she wants to get off stage, she will. Buti na lang kailangan nahaharang namin. Mommy, wait lang, picture muna. Okay, I'm gonna take this opportunity, guys, to say thank you to our sponsors na rin, no? So maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors. Hearts and Harmonies is a concert for a cause, and it is made possible through the generosity and wholehearted support of our sponsors, donors, and our dedicated producer. And we would love to proudly celebrate and thank our sponsors,